Most men are easy to impress. A little attention, a few compliments, small gestures. And without realizing it, they give their loyalty, effort, and emotions away too quickly. Stoicism teaches a different standard. The man who is hard to impress is the man who cannot be replaced, not because he is arrogant, but because he is grounded. There is something unsettling and magnetic about a man who does not react easily, who observes, who measures, who chooses. That man leaves a lasting imprint. 1. Being hard to impress signals inner wholeness. When a man is easily impressed, it suggests something is missing inside him. Approval fills the gap. Attention becomes fuel. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Look within. Within is the fountain of good." A man who is already fulfilled does not rush to be impressed. His standards are internal. His satisfaction is self-generated, and people sense that immediately. 2. Selectivity creates value. What is given to everyone means little to anyone. When your respect, trust, and energy are earned slowly, they carry weight. Seneca observed, "What we acquire too easily, we esteem too lightly." A man who is hard to impress forces others to rise in quality, and what requires effort is remembered longer. 3. Emotional control makes you irreplaceable. Men who are impressed easily are impressed emotionally. They react fast, attach fast, reveal fast. Epictetus taught, "No man is free who cannot command himself." A man who remains composed does not hand his emotional center to anyone. That control makes him rare, and rarity cannot be replaced. 4. You become the standard, not the seeker. Most men chase approval. They seek confirmation they matter. The man who is hard to impress does the opposite. He becomes the reference point. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one." When you live by standards instead of seeking validation, others begin to measure themselves against you. That shift changes everything. 5. Calm evaluation feels like strength. Quick admiration feels shallow. Slow evaluation feels powerful. When you take your time to trust, to invest, to commit, your presence feels solid. Seneca wrote, "The wise man is neither raised up by prosperity nor cast down by adversity." That steadiness creates safety, and safety creates attachment that lasts. 6. The hard-to-impress man leaves a mark, even when gone, because he did not overreact, did not overgive, did not overpromise. His absence is felt, not as loss, but as contrast. Epictetus said, "Don't explain your philosophy, embody it." And embodiment leaves memory. Stoicism does not teach indifference. It teaches discernment. When you stop being impressed by surface-level effort, stop reacting to attention, stop handing out approval freely, you become rare. And what is rare cannot be replaced easily. The man who is hard to impress does not need to prove his worth. His presence already did. Stay disciplined, stay grounded, move forward.